Mic check, mic check, mic check. All right, cool. What do we got? 1 minute. Watch for this Bitcoin. Like, watch these fake pumps, and if it's just going right under, it's probably just a short. So don't even try to think about it too much. I'm trying this Bitcoin here. Not coin coming down a bit. Virtual is above. Griffin coming under. Not is way under. Let's go Bitcoin. I'm in the Bitcoin, like I said, and that is printing for me. Don't stop me now. What the fuck is that? Bitcoin still under. Virtual still holding up. Look at swarms. Nice Bitcoin. Let's go. Who caught swarms? I did. Come on, Bitcoin. Hell yeah. Banger. Let's fucking go. I'm taking some profits on Bitcoin here, up 65%. Taking some profits at Swarms, up 52%. All my stops are at zero. Alpha, my alpha trade is still up 25% from earlier. Virtual is finally breaking the 50 line. Virtual is probably the best risk reward situation right now on a risk basis. Hell yeah. Swarms, banger. What a beautiful Thursday. You got Griffin mascot, that's what I'm talking about. Wow, we're printing. Everything's printing. Bangers. I'm taking some more profit on Griffin here. My Bitcoin's up 100%. I'm taking more profit. My alpha's up 52%. I'm taking some more cash here. That was a very exciting few minutes. Look at Beam. Watch if Beam breaks the daily anchored VWAP here. Imagine if we just got the Bitcoin short entry. Like, what if this is it? Like, what if this is like, like a little 2 or 3% move down right now? Watch that Beam. Virtual. Wow, this looks amazing to me. Look at that virtual. Come on, fall. I'm not even in the trade. I just want to see it like just work out. I am in the Bitcoin trade though. And come on, Swarms. Swarms looking kind of strong. I don't know. Being weird right there. Like, why is it not even touching the EMA? Like, it needs to come down. Look at that beam. About to get a little breakdown. What's the S&P doing? It's flying, but it's under the 50% line. I haven't seen your comments. What's up, Mr. X? How are you, sir? Are you catching trades, sir? Are you making money? Are you getting the concepts more and more? Man, super was an easy one too. But I just took my Bitcoin on 350, man. I just had to just take my Bitcoin. Fuck yeah, what a banger. Nice. Let's go swarms. That's what I was saying. He needs to like start coming into the EMA band. Sergio, I like that. The lower leverage, just making sure you're like just getting in the play. You must be busy. You must be doing something for you to be doing 6x. Wow. No, let me take profit first, bitch. Hold on. Come back down. Hey guys, tell it to come back down. Come on, keep pushing it. Is the S&P still going down? Maybe. I took some more at 160% up. I love that. Wow, what a crazy beam candle there. Oh, it's a holiday here in Brazil. It's like it's Workers' Day. Can you believe that shit? Or is it a worldwide thing? I have no idea, to be honest with you. But I've never heard of that. International Workers' Day. I've never had a day off in my life. What the fuck are they talking about? International Workers' Day. Griffin is being a banger. Matt Scott. It's about to make a new low. Oh, Masquerade. Sorry, I haven't responded to you. But yeah, whenever you want to chat, just we can later today whenever you're free. I mean, tomorrow morning we have our session though. We will be doing our session tomorrow, guys. But like, you can literally call me at any time. It's not even like oh, you got to schedule it. You know, like just text me or something. Maybe swarms can be along. Tomer is so funny. I was sleeping when I was supposed to be charging you guys the monthly coins. That's when I'm sleeping. I usually sleep in between that, um, like after Hong Kong to like after London opens. I'm usually knocked out at that time. Or really, like my one eye is on the chart, you know, and like that's it, you know, like especially if I'm in a trade, or if I'm like wait, like we've been waiting for these shorts for fucking days. Like this has been a long time for some of these shorts to play out. Swarms, man, it's telling me to long it. I'm not, but it's looking weird. It's looking interesting. I don't know, just that 200 to 200 with the HMA. I don't know, with the anchored VWAP there. Bitcoin holding. Whoa, Griffin. Jeez. Beam, what a fake candle here. Destroyed all the shorts really quick. The swarm is about to pop here. All of these AI coins super resilient. Bitcoin dominance must be really high because just whatever Bitcoin does, these things are just reacting. Hey, Bitcoin's dominance almost at our target. Look at ETH BTC. What a joke. Like, why do I even have this chart here? Fuck this chart. It's so stupid. I mean, so BTC doesn't look too much better either. But it's at least not in a 2-year downtrend. We missed the Floki short, but it's okay. My Bitcoin short is fucking printing. Swarm is finally by the. Wow, look at Floki. Notcoin was also. I mean, everything was pretty easy. I mean, literally, the open was happening with a green candle on Bitcoin. Like, where else was it gonna go? So see now, like you see how we rejected off the 618. So, first of all, you got like the your double bottom, right? Little get down where it makes like a little bit of a lower low, and then maybe now they could really actually like bounce it. But if it's really gonna play out, like we're gonna target 95,404. Oh, whoa. Let me take that back. Hold on. We're targeting 95,648. Which, what a coincidence. My moving averages are there. Whoa. Magic. Oh, well, I wasn't supposed to move that. Hold on. Whoa. Yeah, Soul Tech, I went for it. 350. Well, I mean, we're just off the line, bro. Like, what did you want me to do? We're in the zone. I had to do that. It's the first of the month. We know that they always dump it in the beginning of the month. And then we also have the Bitcoin conference on May 27th. So now I'm starting to build a theory in my head that like, oh, okay, like, and then I've been getting emails for like, like sign up bonuses and shit from all different types of things, not even just exchanges regarding crypto. So I think they're just going on a marketing push for a little bit. But like, first they would have to rinse it, right? What are they just going to carry it bullish all the way through? Yeah, it's possible. But it's like there has to be some type of like, like the options people and stuff, like all of these things, because Bitcoin's like a financial instrument now. It's like it has to go through that little situation. Which we see, they always dump it within the first 5 days of the month. Super is finally losing the 50 line. Whoa! What's the news? What just came in? Something just came in. It's not just gonna do that. Somebody explain this to me like I'm 5. So ISM manufacturing 48.7, expected 47.9. Is that a good thing? New orders are 47, expected were 45. I just don't understand how they managed to like beat these things, you know? Like how did they not have the results before? Like how do we know they're not altered? Don't you guys find it interesting how Bitcoin dominance is going up, but a lot of the altcoins went up? Like Bitcoin dominance has just been going up. Like there's been no pullback. Like no correction. Like here. These are just going up. And so have the alts. Total market cap at resistance. Is that Griffin going to be along? I took Griffin. Let's see. Maybe not. Big candle for Bitcoin coming into the 28th there. Virtual rejecting the 50 pretty hard there. Bitcoin still not breaking the 50. Nice. Let's go, Griffin. Hell yeah. Still holding my Bitcoin short. My stop's at 0 for this Griffin. Yo, look at Beam. Swarms, Griffin, and Beam look strong. If Bitcoin catches any type of bid, just like yesterday, whenever I said the virtual and whatever the other two were, and they popped off, the deep, this is the same kind of concept. Like now, like, see, as we're doing this daily, we're starting to learn how to read strength. And we're just waiting for the index to move, for the other ones to move. But really, the other ones are the ones giving us the hint that this thing's going to move. Because they can't be setting up their posture, right? Remember when I said, hey, like, Swarms looks good around the 200. Like, I want it to come a little lower, and then maybe it's a long. Like I said that. You came there, did that. I tried to enter a little early here because I was like, maybe, and I cut it. It came down, held that 200. That's why I say you just got to focus. Like, keep watching each candle. The candle fucking closed on the 200 on the VWAP. Bounce. Again, that's a patience thing, right? It would have took 3, 6, 9 minutes, 10 minutes had to go by for you to make that decision or like just to watch it. For me, I just took Griffin off the 50 line, you know? I don't want to, I just wanted it to be easy, you know? Here it's like, it's kind of an area, you know? I like working from a price. Because when I work from an area, I sometimes get, you know, a little carried away. Like, I'm not going to lie. Like, I'll try to chase it or whatever. But now we're up 70% on Griffin, you know? Nice and safe. Because I just, what did I do? Follow the fucking rules. Banger. That's a great one. I'm not trying to be funny though, man, but like nobody's doing this anywhere else unless they copied it from me. We're just gonna leave it at that. Matt Scott, are these agents gonna go crazy today or something? I don't know. I'm still iffy on Bitcoin. You know, maybe Bitcoin goes to 97,500. I think it gets really euphoric around 97.5 to 98. It starts to get like really like, oh, we're going to 100K kind of thing. Like you guys are busy today, International Workers Day. Where you guys going? I'm kidding. Cheers, guys. Oh, I see. Virtual's getting on the 50 line. Yo, fucking Griffin, yo. What's up? What is up? Beam is pushing too. Look at Notcoin with a color change on the 50 line. Maybe it could be something. Super still looks weak. Whoa! Yo, what was that Griffin candle? I'm still in the trade. Holy fuck. Yes, sir. Definitely just follow the rules. They didn't stop me. I'm still in the trade. Yeah, man, that's some bullshit. How are they going to attack both sides like that? Here, I'm still in the trade. I'll send you my thing. My stop's at 0. I don't know how it didn't stop me. I'm in the trade. Here you go. It looks like they were just rotating capital from Griffin to Swarms. They're just moving the money from here to here. And then they're going to move it from Swarms to Virtual. Virtual's not looking good, though. It's easy to also. Whoa, look at Swarms going now. Is Sergio gone? Yeah. Oh no, you're here. Unlimited X. What I was gonna say was following the rules is one thing, but also identifying, like reading the candles, and then following the rules after that. It looks like all of these AI coins just pumped to do like a liquidity pump, maybe, because Bitcoin is not cracking that 236. Or is it us just moving the chart? Beam. What a banger. That's pretty nice. 2 days in a row. I got you guys like just calling them out before they happen. That Swarms looks like it wants to print a 3% liquidation candle. Like one candle being 3% up. Fuck up all the shorts. It just feels like that. The way the HMA is moving, you see, it's just fucking the HMA is angled up, bro. It's like it wants to go. See, for me on Griffin, it's kind of curving, and on Virtual, it looks fucking disastrous. Wow, we forgot about AIXBT. Fuck! Holy shit! Ah, I knew we forgot something. Because I kept on looking at Vine. I was like, man, I'm supposed to change Vine to something. Wow, what an amazing banger. Man, if Bitcoin was the whole time Bitcoin was dumping, this was just ranging. I would have obviously said, hey, we're longing AIXBT. Fuck, 10% move. Hey, this one's kind of an interesting spot. Wow, as I'm saying that, fuck! I was just gonna say it's making a picture of power to the downside under the 50 line. It's already gone. Already missed the trade. 3% move? Come on, man. That's irking. Yeah, you got to read the candle book. The candle book is all you need. That book is all you need. There's a couple more things on top of that. There could be a couple more videos on top of that I sent to Blur. Where's Blur at? I don't know why Swarms did. I mean, Griffin. Why did Griffin do this candle? This is so weird. Such a weird spot to do it. There goes Bitcoin with the drop. Hey, what's up with this ball right here? This looks like a serious short. Not coin picking up some pace there. Nice move by Bitcoin there. So you have to also notice when you see altcoins coming down and Bitcoin spiking, that's people taking their profit from altcoins into Bitcoin. And you have to also know how to identify that. To know that maybe Bitcoin is just a fake spike. I'm not saying that's what's happening right now, but it's just like you gotta also keep that in mind. Beam is being sent, bro. It's flying. Wow, Griffin. I mean, I told you, Tomer. You make it sound like it seem like it's a surprise. Yeah, I'm full of jokes today. All right, so what's cracking with the monthly coins though? It's funny how they're a bunch of like meme coins and shit, or like they're just it's different stuff. It's like it's none of the majors. I see where are the majors at. Celestia, is that a major? Let's go, Griffin. That thing's unreal. All right, guys, that looks like the end of my day. Thank you very much, Griffin. Any questions, guys? And if you don't have questions now, don't be shy later either. AIXBT, unbelievable. Mm. Yeah, I wasn't sure about taking a long on Bitcoin down here. I like the long on Griffin more. That's why I didn't take a Bitcoin long. You want to trade the Tau BTC pair? What do you mean? AIXBT fucked up by not putting it on the list. Yeah, Matt's got here with the critical the critical remarks. It's just a good session. Kidding. Hey, Swarms is not doing too bad either. It's about to break the high. Let's go, Griffin. The mascot's trying to make up for it. It's all good, bro. We already know how you feel. It was just a good session. I got the point. Yeah, Tomer, that's just gonna be part of the learning experience. Is like you're gonna know when it's like the time and when it's not the time. And that just also comes with patience because you're also just eager. Like you're eager to get in the trade. Just like everybody else. Just like but risk management is the priority. Risk management is above all because essentially all of us should all be prop firm traders, you know? So if we just take that same prop firm mentality into our own accounts, you'll be okay. Because on a prop firm, you can't draw down. It's not possible to draw down. Yes, lose small and win big. Like that's the whole point. Um the losses should be tiny and the gains should be fat. Yeah, Soul Taker should be $1. There's no point for it to be 5, especially while you're learning. I know it sounds funny. I mean, like at least on the high leverage stuff, right? Like high leverage stuff, definitely just $1 and do the experience, and then like don't be silly and forget like, hey, you can take the trade on low leverage, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like don't get lost in the sauce with proper money. You know what I'm saying? So it's like at least you're making real money while you're also learning the lucrative game. Bro, Swarms is going. Beam gone. And Tomer and Soltec, it's like you guys get that, let's say like that $5 to $10 to like 20 and 30. Dude, before you know it, the 20 and 30 is gonna be at 100. This is all while you're learning. You're gonna be like, yo, what the fuck? And just follow the practices and don't just try to like, rush stuff. Oh, and then Matt Scott, something like yesterday with virtual, how it kept on running. Sometimes you just gotta start managing that thing on a higher time frame, like the 15 minute, and you just moving up the stops after every color change. Mind you, I'm speaking about all of us, not just Matt Scott. So this is yesterday's Ripper for virtual, right? And it just stayed above, like it just stayed above, and obviously at some point you're gonna need to take profit. You're up 7x. What are you gonna do? Not take profit? It sounds silly. No point to close though. I just want to do this laterally. So right here is like the open. So check this out. On the 21 minute, you're just gonna move your stop up below every red candle wick with a color change. So right around here, you're gonna say like you're pretty much golden. Obviously, this is gonna be the first one, right? Then you get a color change here. Let's zoom this in. Essentially, this will be the first time you're managing it on a higher time frame. Your stop just stays there. You get a proper color change here. Green takes over red right there. Stop goes there now. $1.31. It happens again. Green candle take over red, but this is the green candle takes it over, right? It becomes that second one. The stop goes there now. Becomes almost $1.32 now. Then it happens again here. Green bar take over the red bar. The stop now goes to $1.33. Happens again. It sounds super boring, right? And it also looks super simple, but just like literally do it. Next stop's $1.36. Next one, $1.48. You'd still be in the trade. That's how crazy it is. I was just looking. I was like, wait, I think he'd still be in the trade. Next stop, $1.58. Next color change, your stop's gonna be at 159. You would put it under the green wick because now you took over this red. But like that didn't go lower than here, because remember your stop was here before that, $1.58. So you're all Gucci here. I mean, is that not crazy how it's not taking him out of the trade? He'd still be in the virtual trade. Now, right now, you're still in the trade. Because this would have been a color change. That would have been your stop. Because your previous stop would have been under this wick with that color change. Maybe now you would have got stopped, right? If you would have changed it here on this color change, and this wick would have took you out. So you would have been actually just out on this candle now, on this 21-minute candle. Interesting strategy there, right? Like, this is my strategies that I'm giving you guys. Like, that's fucking banger. Just a lot of work. That's all. And a lot of hangout and just the mental impatience part after that. Yes. Oh, in scalping, what we do at the open, that scalp you put it at 0. So that's what I was saying. So after a certain point, it's turned his virtual trade, right? Our scalp has turned into the trending move, right? It's a scalp that, like, hey, like, we didn't touch it and it's just running. Initially the stop stays at 0, just at your break even. Like, you take profits as it's pushing up. And then, like, you try to see if you can add on, like, any pushes back into the 28. So every time it came into the 28 moving average, he would have been able to also add on the color change upwards. Even after you started, let's say, managing it from here, and as it was going up, well, really only had 2 opportunities here to add. He had one add on the 21 right here, because you only want to add when you're close to the 28 only. No other times. Not this one. No. Not if there was another one here. No. It's the first one that's by the 28. If it's just a little far, because this is like level 1. If you guys read the Soltech, you're in. I know you've been busy. So there's levels, right? This is level 1 of like where the moving averages are, because this is a narrow state right here, right? There's level 1. Hold on, let me stop this recording.